Hey guys, this is Rayuart, far up in the Triad thing. See, look at that.
Care for some tea?
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
That can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. Dan Hai, he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. Dan Hai, anyone who indulges as he does, lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve. And now he will give him a nudge over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man. Ho Mai Sun Ga, obsessed with feng shui.
Feng
He
Shui.
cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I
Wow,
like your style. I will.
she's very evil. Even though she's old and she's a woman, now that's a bad thing. I'm just saying that they usually are.
Mrs. Chang want you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken noses guy?
Mrs. Chang said you were gonna do some home decoration.
Okay. How do I do that? Oh, I have to go and drive this car, right?
He told me to tag along, give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, a lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Oh, so he's killed a lot of people. So how are we supposed to get?
Have a nice day. Right on schedule. Usually goes gambling at this time. Tu Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up.
What? Go.
Man, if I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, so you're the expert. What do we do?
Detective, fucking with this stuff to make it seem like there's ghosts that don't like him.
What about those faces?
Good idea. Maybe just leave four. It's an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
4 unlucky mother
Four is
number.
bad, but shouldn't we try something else? We're some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
Okay, what about these? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Right? Supposed to kill it, right? Okay. No.
Let's keep going. That'll freak him out. 444.
Yeah, this could work.
Where? Is it over there? But okay, right there. Just hands.
His phone says fuck now. Turn the piano so the face is the wrong way. I help, but I put my friend climbing over the wall. Hi la, my crotch isn't what it used to be. I'm like, hello.
Stupid idiot. I gotta press this one.
Chin's gonna freak. fucking with him or he knows his home is insecure. Somebody coming, we better go.
Come on, hide, hide.
Anybody in there?
Shit.
What are we doing? Just hide. Stay calm.
Take cover until the guard leaves. Behind the couch. Where's the couch, idiot? Thank God.
They're gone. Come on.
Tucci loses money fast. We better hurry up.
Leave the gated community. Okay, how do I leave?
Thunder. Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. Why didn't you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you.
Somebody has to kill him.
What is this? Gaulentor. Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think. Chihaya!
Nice work, kid. You got your salty style.
Here comes in. See you later, kid.
And he crashes.
Way! How'd the date with Vivian go? You wanna be her new boyfriend?
No.
Relax, Ricky. I'm just making a joke. So wait, you know Fifi Meow?
You mean the movie star? Yeah, I heard of her. What's she doing these days?
She's doing another movie in the Stripper Assassin franchise, but I want the role for Vivian.
That's a great idea. That would be huge for Vivian. Yeah, it would help her profile.
Aren't you going with Vivian to the release party?
Yeah, you're right. Good call.
We're releasing the track that King could use tonight. You have a great time. You and the hottest star in Hong Kong. Go, have fun. You know Big Smile Lee?
Oh yeah, we've crossed paths.
Good. We've got a joint venture making porn. He brings the girls, I bring the production and distribution.
That's good money, I bet.
Yeah, if Vivian pisses me off, that's where she'll end up. But there's more money if I keep her a star. I just have to make sure she doesn't flake out on me. I want you to put some cameras up in an apartment. I need it done right away. Can you organize that for me?
Yeah, of course, son. I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. Here's the address. There's a box of stuff over by the elevator.
That guy is shady as fuck. I don't trust that guy.
You look beyond beautiful tonight. Every time I looked at you, all I could think was, I can't believe she's real.
Oh, Ricky.
She's too perfect to be real. Seriously. Every woman wanted to be you, and every guy wanted to. Oh, you know.
Ricky, you have such a one-track mind.
Shit, fucking sucks.
Oh, yes. You know I like that.
Okay, but let me go freshen up first.
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go have a smoke.
What do I do? What do I do? Plant camera in the bedroom.
Yeah, hey, Sonny. Nah, everything went great. Yeah.
Plant camera.
Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. You should have seen him.
Hide, you idiot. Retrieve the memory stick without being seen.
Andrew, there you are. Are you fucking crazy? What the hell were you thinking of arresting Jackie? Huh?
Oh, I thought we were past all that. I just wanted to congratulate you on that business with Tang. Good riddance. Now, what about Sonny Woe? Anything new there?
What about Jackie, huh? Fuck, Andrew. Are you deaf?
No, Officer Shen, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to. Wait. Forget about Jackie a moment. Whatever we can get to stick to Sonny Woe will obviously hurt Big Smile Lee. We both want that.
Fine. Sonny had me put up a hidden camera in Vivian Liu's bedroom. She and Ricky nearly caught me.
He always did have a reputation for that sort of thing. Think you could get a copy of that?
Are you fucking kidding me? She's got nothing to do with this shit.
This could be the piece that we're missing on Sonny. Can you get it?
All right. But I want Jackie in return. Cut him loose.
Very well. Get me the video and he walks.
I'll get it.
All right, I have to go. Get me that video as soon as you can.
All right, Benju, I hope you're happy. Vivian? What are you doing here?
Well, Sonny says you've been really helpful to him. And to me. And I just wanted to thank you.
Vivian, no. Wait. What's this about?
Nothing, I just can't. God, Sonny's gonna kill me.
Wait, Sonny sent you here?
Yeah, don't you know that?
Know what?
I can't do it anymore. Sonny will just have to get another girl.
Look, Vivian, you don't need to. Not with me, okay?
So, you mean you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, you're the first guy who's ever, I mean... Thanks, Wei.
Now I gotta watch out I'm not being followed. Oh no, there it goes.
Wait, did you bring the video?
And Jackie?
Done. This should be all I need to put Sonny Woe away for a long time. And with Uncle Po dead...
Wait, how'd you hear about that?
Good news travels fast. I'll have Raymond arrange your debriefing. Congratulations, Wei.
What are you saying?
I'm saying it's over. You've done your job. It's time to come in.
It's not over. Not yet.
Wei, the Sun on Yi is seriously crippled. Your mission was an unbelievable success. I must admit, I thought you'd be happy.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Pope. I can't come in now. I'm not finished yet.
I understand your personal reasons for doing this, your history with the Sun on Yi. This is why I selected you. But you've done more than enough. Those are my orders.
Fuck your orders and fuck you too, Penju. I came on to take down the Sun on Yi, not to shuffle the deck.
Shen, you're making a mistake.
He's with them. I said it in a few videos ago. I knew he was part of them. He's probably working with yeah, he was working with Big Smiley.
Shen, you're making a mistake.
Fuck your orders. Fuck you too, Penju.
They're probably gonna try to kill me. There we go.
Wei, good to see you, man. Thanks for picking me up.
You joking? Of course I'm gonna pick you up. You're my boy. You okay, Jackie? They treat you all right in there?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got lucky. Someone convinced Ming's brother to say it was alone. Was that you?
Nah, I wish I thought of it, though.
Some lady cop wanted me to turn snitch. Tang something or another. I told her she could go fuck herself.
Smooth. You heard about Uncle Po, though, right?
Yeah. When's the funeral?
Soon. We should go get ready.
Like today.
Let's go.
Man, I can't go to a funeral like this. I look like shit. I need a suit or something.
Alright, we'll pick something up.
He was a tough old man. Oh no. 18K.
Anaya, what the fuck are the 18K doing here?
They're here to make a show. Or maybe to start a fight. All the Sun On Yi leaders are here in one place. I don't think they expected the police to be here, though.
Never been happy to see the cops before.
Hey, where the fuck is Sonny?
fucking arresting him! Sonny Woe, I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time.
Yes, and it will make you look so good to your bosses. They might even pat you on the head like an obedient dog. Right up until the time that I won't. Again.
Not this time, Sonny. Come on. Don't get your fancy shoes all muddy. Let's go, boys. We got what we came for. We're leaving.
Hey! You can't do this here. It's a fucking funeral. Goddamn police! Why don't you show some fucking respect, huh?
Why don't you? The 18K are about to do this city a great public service. And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
The cops are leaving? What the fuck? The 18K are going to...
It's gonna get bloody. Come on.
Shit, here they come, man!
See, I told you he was working with them.
Show these motherfuckers what it means to be Sun On Yi!
Son on you, motherfuckers.
Oh shit! It's happening!
No, Jackie's gonna die this, I bet you.
Get the fuck down!
Oh, there's one over here on the left.
Keep going! Move up! Move up!
Down, idiot! Holy shit, what's going on? What's going on? Who did that? Who did that? Who did that? Somebody's taking this way too seriously. The fuck?
Let's see how you like it.
Hurry up, idiot. There we go. One down. Two. Three. Four. Oh, okay. There's one right behind this thing. Where are you, motherfucker? There you are.
We can't let this go on. We have to deal with 18K and with the police.
We need a plan. Where's Tu Chin?
He's in seclusion.
Seclusion? He's in a hotel somewhere, riding the white tiger, that fat fuck!
Perhaps you are right, brother. With Uncle Po gone, we now need a chairman who can lead us through this.
Finally, you're making some sense, Chuck. I am the strongest. I am the most feared. I say I should be chairman.
Perhaps temporary. We should go with...
Wait! We need to have a proper election. That is the way it has always been done. It's the Sun On Yi code.
Ha! You, a woman, talking of code. You should never have been allowed to be Sun On Yi.
But I was. And my contribution to this organization have been significant.
With respect, I have to agree with Sister Jane. We need to restore stability and order, and that means clear thinking. We should follow our tradition.
Our tradition? You've only been on Sun On Yi for a short time. What do you know about our tradition?
Nevertheless, Sister Zhang and Brother Shen are correct.
Fine. You'll have the fucking elections. But I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
Everyone has a vote. Our tradition allows...
Fuck the tradition! Ricky! It's out.
See, I knew he was going to go there. Why is everybody bloody? I'm going to stop right here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if what you think is going to happen at the end. Who's going to...